Nigel.
I'm doing driving on a road like this with grass growing out in the middle. It's I was trying to find a nice attractive place that I'd driven past before, and I've taken the wrong turn, so I'm doubling back, and doubling back means taking a lesser road, should we say. But who cares? I don't care if it adds some miles to the journey, I don't care if it's a little bit bumpy. It's still a fun drive.
In half a mile, turn right.
Turn right? Looks like the road's coming to an end. Is this still a road? It doesn't matter how much fun I seem to have in this car, we're still doing 6.2 miles per kilowatt hour.
In a quarter mile, turn left, onto Honeypot Lane.
Honeypot Lane? I'll have to turn you off soon, missus, because I'm getting fed up with listening to you. Today, I'm out driving the Kona Electric, and I'm heading towards Necton to the Instavolt 150 kilowatt ultra chargers. This car in the second service has had its BMS update, the famed BMS update, loads and loads of battery management, checks done and software updated. And if you listen to some people in Europe and in the UK, there are some odd things happening. Some people are reporting faster charging on a 50 kilowatt charger. So as it gets nearer to the 60, 70, 80% state of charge, it's continuing to charge at a faster speed. So they're reporting that that's good news. I don't know whether that's true or not, and I'm not going to find that out today. But also, a few people have had issues where the software does not appear to have been updated correctly, and as a result, maybe as a result, the ultra chargers are only giving 30 to 35 kilowatts of power. So if they go to an Ionity charger or an Instavolt 150 kilowatt charger, they're not getting the charge rates they should do. Now, I've done a review going to Necton before, and I have had over 70 kilowatts from the charger. Same sort of battery temperature, same sort of state of charge. So that's what I'd expect today. The battery's warmed up, it's good to go. It's on 22% state of charge. It should whap in there 50 kilowatts to start with, then increase to 60 something, and then rock it up once it's up to the correct temperature to 70 odd kilowatts, and that's what I'd expect to see. If it doesn't do that and it sits around 30 something, then you gotta think that this BMS update, whether installed correctly or not, because I'm told there's nothing wrong with this car now, it has been installed correctly, the update, then it makes you think there's something happening with that update, and that needs reporting to Hyundai.
In 0.7 miles, turn left.
So that's what I'm doing today. I just thought I'd come out for a nice enjoyable test drive and also put it on the Instavolt charger nice and quickly. I don't need many kilowatt hours, I don't need the energy, so I'll do it just for the sake of the test and share with all the other Kona owners to give them confidence as to whether it does or does not work after the BMS update. That's the idea anyway. And yeah, the nice weather's disappeared, it's now started to rain. I've been having fun in the car, driving slow in some places, fast in others, accelerating all over the place, and I'm averaging 5.9 miles per kilowatt hour over 53 miles. Just incredible, this car. As I said in my last video, which you might not have seen yet, but I do wonder if this car is now more efficient than what it was when it's new. Has it somehow gained some efficiency in the 2 years that I've coaxed it and looked after it? And here we are, a nice Costa drive-through, a co-op shop and petrol filling station. And I have no idea what that alarm was for. What was that alarm for? Didn't see a message on the screen. Now look at that, there's nobody here whatsoever. so we get them all to ourselves. Okay, so there's my trip details. That's 72 miles of range left. I've just travelled 53 miles. I set off with 103 or 106, something like that. 6 miles per kilowatt hour, and we've been 2 hours so far. State of charge is 22%, and battery temperature 23 degrees according to this. So let's have a go and see what this charger does. Okay, so we're just plugged in and 51 kilowatts. That's good news. What I'd expect now is as it just gradually warms up a little bit, I'd expect that rate to increase. So let's see what it does. That's 6 minutes in, and we're still only getting 50 kilowatts. Oh, here we go. And now I can hear a fan as well. Fantastic news. Still get good charging rates, even after the BMS update. So, test complete. Success! So we had the BMS update done, and although it took about 6 minutes from plugging in on this InstaVolt charger, we managed to get up to 74 kilowatts of charge rate, and very, very happy with that. So, yeah, BMS update, when it's done correctly by the dealers, does not affect ultra rapid charging rates. Anyway, there you go. That's today's video. So thank you very much for watching. Hope that was interesting for you. Hope that gives you some confidence that these Hyundai cars and the new updates that are coming through are doing what they're supposed to, if the dealers install them properly, of course. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.